Hello everyone, this is Ankita. Welcome back to my channel. If first time, most welcome. Today the topic is discipline. This is something that everyone wants to build, but they are not able to do so. First of all, discipline don't requires any kind of motivation, to be very honest. It just requires building good habits. And it only starts when you don't feel to do something that you already know it is important to do. So, as per my experience, I'm going to share few psychological tricks here to build discipline. First of all, try to maintain your diary or notes, whether it is digital or paperwork. But it is very important. Second thing, whatever you have noted down, you have to make a timetable of it. See, timetable is nothing but have a balance for everything in the life. Every time it is not important that you can do everything at once. But if slowly you are moving on, one day it will get completed. So it's not necessary that I have to do exercise 45 minutes. You can do it for 30 minutes also, for 20 minutes also. It's not like you have to do everything at once. But make sure whatever you are noting down, you have to make a timetable for it. And the biggest thing for making timetable, it's very important to understand which time you are having that energy. Because for me, I used to go to walk, but in evening, once I finish my work. I work in Reliance Corporate Park and I go every morning after 6 p.m. for the walk. Second thing, once you feel that you don't want to do a work which you already know it is important to do. So try to find out a good thing in particular that work. What is a particular moment or a particular step in that process that you like the most? Like for me, I go for a walk because in the evening, Reliance Corporate Park looks really very beautiful. I can feel the air, the cold air. I can hear the cuckoo sounding there. I can feel the lights and the buildings of that campus. That looks really good actually. And it feels like all the stress of the day is turned into enjoyment at that time. And the last thing, don't show off of your particular discipline. I never say anyone that I'm going for walk. Only few people know that I'm going for walk. So whatever good habits you build, don't try to show off for it. Comment below how you maintain